I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's biggest update before 2025 ends and how you can instantly transform any design, photo, or element with just a few clicks. This simple feature helps you create better designs even if you are a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. What you want to do first is head over to your Canva account and on the left side panel, click on Create. From there, choose any canvas size you want to work with. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Elements and add any element or photo you want to use in your design. After placing it on the canvas, click on the element and look for the Edit option on the floating toolbar. When you click Edit, scroll down until you see Style Match under the Magic Studio section. This is where the magic happens. You can now choose any style you like, and Canva will instantly transform your element to match that look. You can literally change the entire vibe of your design in seconds. For example, if you're creating a storybook and want to turn an old-looking illustration into something modern or three-dimensional, just select a new style and Canva will do the work for you automatically. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! Now you know how to use the Style Matcher feature in Canva to completely change the look and feel of any design in just a few clicks. If you want me to create more videos breaking down Canva updates, hidden features, and design tricks that actually save time, hit like and comment Style Matcher, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.